You need to try this coffee drizzled cream cheese pie recipe. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most delicious recipes and mouthwatering treats. Today, we have a special treat for you that will take your love for coffee to a whole new level. Get ready for a tantalizing journey as we present to you our coffee drizzled cream cheese pie. So grab your mugs and let's dive in. Ingredients: 1½ cups graham cracker crumbs, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, 16 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs, 1 cup sour cream, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon instant coffee granules, 2 tablespoons hot water, whipped cream, for garnish, chocolate syrup, for drizzling. Instructions: preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. In a medium bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs and melted butter. Mix until the crumbs are evenly coated. Press the mixture into the bottom of a 9-inch pie dish, forming a crust. Set aside. In a mixing bowl, beat the softened cream cheese until smooth and creamy. Add the granulated sugar and flour, and continue beating until well combined. In a separate small bowl, dissolve the instant coffee granules in hot water. Stir until the coffee is completely dissolved. Add the coffee mixture, sour cream, and vanilla extract to the cream cheese mixture. Beat until smooth and creamy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Make sure the eggs are fully incorporated into the batter. Pour the cream cheese mixture over the prepared crust in the pie dish. Smooth the top with a spatula to ensure an even layer. Place the pie dish in the preheated oven and bake for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until the center is set and the edges are slightly golden. Once the pie is done baking, remove it from the oven and let it cool to room temperature. Then, refrigerate for at least 3 hours, or overnight, to allow the pie to set completely. Just before serving, prepare the coffee drizzle by dissolving 1 tablespoon of instant coffee granules in 2 tablespoons of hot water. Stir until fully dissolved. Drizzle the coffee mixture over the chilled cream cheese pie. You can use a spoon or a piping bag for a more precise drizzle. Garnish the pie with whipped cream and finish it off with a generous drizzle of chocolate syrup. Slice and serve the coffee drizzled cream cheese pie, and enjoy the irresistible combination of coffee, cream cheese, and sweet indulgence. And there you have it, our tantalizing coffee drizzled cream cheese pie. It's creamy, it's coffee infused, and it's absolutely divine. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delightful recipes and coffee-inspired treats. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com, 3 coffee lover.